what a nice Sunday. I just wish I could get this dang TV fixed so I could watch some Paw Patrol. But alas, I have no money, and my owners have no money as well. Wait, what if I rob the bank for my TV? That's genius! Off to the bank I go! The